Hear my prayer, O Lord, and let my cry come unto thee. Hide not thy face from me in a day when I am in trouble, when incline thine ear unto me in the day when I fall. Answer me speedily, for my days are consumed like smoke, and my bones are burned as an hearth. My heart is smitten and withered like grass, so that I forget to eat my bread by reason of the voice of my groaning. My bones cleave to my skin. I am like a pelican of the wilderness. I am like an owl of the desert. I watch them as they spiral alone upon the housetop. Mine enemies reproach me. All the day and they are mad against me, are sworn against me, for I have eaten ashes like bread and mingled my drink with weeping because of thine indignation and thy wrath, for thou hast lifted me up and cast me down. My days are like a shadow that declineth, and I am withered like grass, but thou, O Lord, shall endure forever, and thy remembrance unto all generations. Thou shalt arise and have mercy upon Zion for the time to favor her. Yeah, the set time is come for the servants take pleasure in her stolen favor. The dust thereof, so the heathen shall fear the name of the Lord, and all the kings of the earth. Thy glory when the Lord shall build up Zion, he shall appear his glory. He will regard the prayer of the destitute and not despise their prayer. This shall be written for the generation to come, and the people which shall be created shall praise the Lord, for he hath looked down upon from the height of his sanctuary. From heaven did the Lord behold the earth to hear the groaning of the prisoner, to loose those that are appointed to death, to declare the name of the Lord in Zion and his praise in Jerusalem, when the people are gathered together in the kingdoms to serve the Lord. He weakened my strength in the way. He shortened my days. I said, oh my God, take me not away in the midst of my days. Thy years are throughout our generations. Of old hast thou laid the foundation of the earth, and the heavens are the work of thy hands. They shall perish, but thou shalt endure. Yet all of them shall wax old, like a garment as a vesture shalt thou change them, and they shall be changed. But thou art the same, and thy years shall have no end. The judgment of thy servants shall continue, and their seed shall be established before thee.